friends, welcome back to Petty Dreams. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, gorgeous, realistic jasmine flower headband for baby girls. So this is going to be very easy. You don't need much resources. All you need is just toilet paper roll and a bunch of cotton balls. So let's get started. As you can see, take a piece of your toilet tissue and cut that into small pieces of about 3 or 4 cm wide. And also make some small cotton balls as I'm shown in this video. So normally the toilet paper it will be 2 layers, so you just need 1 layer. So separate them and take one of the layer and just take a small cotton ball and wrap that inside the tissue like this. As you can see, wrap the cotton ball inside the tissue like this and twist the remaining portion as a stem. So now we got our first flower, and after making enough flowers, all you need to do is just paint the stem into a green color. After having the first coat, wait for it to dry and apply another coat because the stem is twisted, so some areas will remain untouched. So you need at least 2 coats of green paint. And here I have all my buds ready for making the headband. So let's move on to our next phase. And now you need your left side of your brain because you need to find the circumference of your baby's head, and you need to make a strand of the flower, and we are going to attach an elastic to the flower string to make it into a band. So the total length of the elastic and the flower string should be ½ inch less than the total circumference of your baby's head, because the elastic is going to stretch. So based on your baby's head circumference, you decide how much length flower strand you need and how much length of elastic you need. But altogether you make a band which is ½ inch lesser than the total circumference of your baby's head, because the elastic is going to stretch. So keep this in mind and make a flower strand first like this. Let's sew them through a needle and a thread, and it will be like this. So after making the flower string, you need to attach an elastic to both the ends, and I will show you that. So please watch this video completely. So now I have my flower string. You need to tip off the extra length of your stem, but I will do that at the end. And you need to attach an elastic to both the ends of the flower strand and just sew them into the stem. So I will show you that in the video. Keep watching. So as you can see, I am not good in sewing. So if you got better ideas, follow that. All you need to do is attach the elastic onto the stems on both sides. Here it is, our Jasmine Flower Headband. This is great for all occasion. Dress up your babies and wear this along, so you will be all set for your festive season. And tip off the extra length of your stem, and it will be gorgeous. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.